Now, because this LED spotlight is a Zemismart product, that of course means it is able to be controlled using your smart home. And by the way, it can also be controlled using the Matter over Wi-Fi protocol as well. But this is not just a standard LED spotlight that you use to light up the floor space in your room. It has also been designed so the angle of the light beam can also be adjusted as well. Hey Google, turn on Spot. And just like magic, my flower pot, thanks to the bright angled beam of light that this LED spotlight is producing, is now the center of attention. Now let's try changing the temperature of the light to a cooler color. Hey Google, set Spot to cool white. This smart spotlight is also dimmable as well. So let's turn the brightness of the light down a little bit. Hey Google, set Spot to 20%. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello and welcome to the channel, and I hope you like today's video. If you like smart home and automotive technology content, then hit that subscribe button because that's what you're going to see on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Zemismart's new Smart Matter LED Spotlight. An LED spotlight has many uses and is great to use in a smart home, business, or even a showroom when you want to highlight a specific object or area on a wall. Because the spotlight is also smart controlled, you can use it to achieve amazing lighting effects as well. In some cases, equally as good as using LED strips, but without the colors of course, because the spotlight does not support RGB. It's rated at 12 watts and also has a very high rating of 95 RA on the color rendering scale, CRI. And so, as you can probably imagine, it's very bright and very effective as well. As you can see, it is also supplied with an external smart LED driver, which is what this box here is. Actually, having an LED driver that is separate from the spotlight itself is very common even with spotlights that are not smart controlled at all. It can be powered up from 110 to 240 volts AC, and a neutral wire is also required to be used with this device as well. There is no earth wire used, you just use your live and neutral wires only. It comes with the power wires already inserted into this end of the driver box here, so you can just connect to them. On this particular device I have just removed them just for my own requirements. The current draw is only rated at 0.3 amps. Being LED of course makes it very gentle on your power bill, even though it is a spotlight. On camera this may look like a pretty high quality product, and it is. It is actually an extremely high quality product. It has been designed and built very well. As you may have already noticed, the LEDs on the spotlight itself, of course, are very deeply recessed into the metal body here as well. They are actually buried very deep down inside the body at a distance of 72 millimeters to be exact, and for good reason as well. It has a shading angle of 56 degrees. This also prevents excessive glare, making it easier and more comfortable on your eyes as well. This is not a really bright spotlight that is going to blind you when you look up at it. In fact, from a distance, when you look at it, because of its deep recessive design, you don't even realize it's turned on, especially when you're comparing it to other spotlights, such as that one up there, and the other ones that you can see on the roof as well. But yes, this spotlight is at the moment currently turned on, and not only that, it's also set to 100% brightness as well. Of course, if you walk up closer to it, you can eventually see that for yourself, but you do have to get really close to be able to see it. Being smart controlled, the spotlight also supports dimming as well, so the brightness and the color of the light is also adjustable using the app or through setting up automations to control it. It has a color temperature range of 2700K to 6000K. As already mentioned, it's not RGB at all. It only supports your warm and cool colors, so in the color spectrum of orange to white. It's also not a strobing light either, nor does it even have a strobing effect. But this is a good thing because strobing lights are really bad for your eyes as well. If you wanted a flashing look from this light, you could just simulate that by setting up an automation to do it. And we will give that a try later on as well. Now, this spotlight uses the Matter over Wi-Fi protocol, but a Zigbee version is also available as well. It also supports all the different platforms such as Google, Alexa, HomeKit, SmartThings. So of course it can be controlled using the app or by voice control as well. Being a Meta supported device, this means it will also work with multiple platforms and at the same time as well. Okay guys, if you want to get yourself one of these smart spotlights from Zemismart at a really great price, then here is your opportunity to do it. By using this promo code above, Zemismart will give you a 15% discount off this great product. I have put a link in the description area below for you to use to get one of these spotlights for yourself at this great price. Okay, and now back to the video. The overall size of this device is 81.5mm in diameter. That's including this 9mm wide surrounding bezel as well. And it's 94.5mm in length. Now, unlike a normal spotlight, this one also has an adjustable beam angle as well. So as you can probably see, or hopefully see on camera, just on the side here, just there on the device, there is also a measuring ruler guide as well. So you can use this to get the perfect angle that you require. And once done, you just tighten up the little nut here on the side, and the angle will stay permanently fixed. The base is also removable from the lens as well, if required, to make it easier for installation. And to do that, you just hold and then turn the lens anti-clockwise, and then it just lifts off like that. The spotlight is also available in two different versions as well, in regards to the angle that it can be adjusted to only though. And those are 24 degrees and 36 degrees. This one here is the 36 degrees version and is also referred to by Zemismart as their ZML1-SL36 model. Setting up the smart spotlight is very easy to do. Obviously, if you already have existing spotlights installed and they are the same size as this, then you can very easily just remove one and replace it with this one. However, if you don't already have existing spotlights installed, then you will need to cut a 75mm hole into your roof or wherever it is you plan to install the spotlight. But before you install it, you will also need to remember to scan the QR code located here on the LED driver itself, as it is not supplied in the instruction manual like it is sometimes. And of course, before adding it to the supported Meta platform of your choice, you will also need to put the spotlight into pairing mode first. And that is done by turning the light switch, that is the one that is supplying power to the spotlight itself, on and off 10 times. And that is of course all that is required to add a Meta supported device like this to your smart home. It is however also extremely important to remember that because this is a mains powered device, it is also highly recommended that it be installed and wired up by a professional registered electrician, due to the dangers of working around high voltage. So for your safety, please do not ignore this warning. And now once set up, you can now have some fun by setting up automations with it to control the brightness and color of the light to different levels throughout the day and night to get the effects that you want from it. So using Google, I'm now going to set up some automations and show you some of the things that you can do with this Zemismart Smart LED Spotlight. So in this video, I have the Zemismart LED Spotlight set up and angled towards my flower pot, as you can see. So I can demonstrate how well this device can highlight a specific area of the wall or an object, again, as you can currently see as well. To start off with, I'm going to just manually scroll through the colors it can produce for you, starting with warm white, which is what it is set to at the moment, and ending with cool white. So I'm going down the colors now. Hopefully this is showing up clear enough on camera. And that now is the coolest white color that is available. So just in case it doesn't show up well, that is cool white, and the brightest and warmest color is that one there. That should be quite noticeable on camera. And then, as mentioned before, it does also support dimming as well. So I can change it from 100%, which is what it's set to at the moment, to 20%, like that. And I can change the color again to cool white. And then I can change it back to warm white again as well. I'm just using the Google Home app to do this, by the way. Of course, I can just ask Google to change the brightness for me as well. So for example, hey Google, set spot to 100%. and that worked perfectly. Hey Google, set spot to cool white. Perfect. Hey Google, set spot to warm white. Hey Google, turn off spot. Hey Google, turn on spot. Okay, so that has demonstrated the color range and dimming feature. So now let's try something else, such as flashing the spotlight slowly. So I will now get Google to turn it on for 3 seconds and then off again. And anyway, I'll let Google explain what she's going to do for you. Hey Google, flash the spotlight slowly.
Okay, I will now turn the spotlight on and off for you 3 times. Changing the color from warm white to cool white on the second flash only. Watch carefully to ensure you notice the color change.
That's pretty good, Google, but I think it needs to be faster, so let's speed it up to make it look a little bit more effective. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Hey Google, flash the spotlight quickly.
Okay, I will now flash the spotlight 6 times and this time at a faster flash rate for you.
Yeah, that's definitely more effective. Okay, now I'm going to do one more demonstration. Okay, so this last automation is again just a demonstration of Google controlling the color and brightness of this Zemismart Smart LED Spotlight to different levels, but at this time at different times of the day when I ask you to. It would of course be better to see this automation being used with a smart light sensor instead, but I don't currently have one set up in room 25 to do that, so I need to demonstrate it to you this way instead. Okay, hey Google, set spotlight to morning. Okay, a nice bright warm white color in the morning to wake everyone up. Hey Google, set spotlight to daytime. Okay, an even brighter light through the daytime, again being a warm white color. And lastly, hey Google, set spotlight to night. Yeah, so it's a nice cool and very faint color at night time. That works really well. Okay, hey Google, turn off spot. Well done. This device does work incredibly well using Google, that's for sure. Anyway guys, that is how the Zemismart Smart Matter LED Spotlight works. And I'm sure you would agree, it's a pretty cool product. The build quality of it seriously is incredibly high, as I've already mentioned, and that is expected being a Zemismart product. Their products do only get better in my opinion, and of course they are also always very well priced and affordable as well. And as you can see from the effects that you can achieve by using it, it really is quite impressive. Such a simple thing as highlighting an object, such as this flower pot here, with light, can really make a huge difference to the look and quality of that flower pot. It's definitely a great product to use not only in your smart home, but also in your business as well. If you have never used a smart controlled and adjustable spotlight like this before, I bet after watching this video you might now have some ideas of your own of how you could use it. I would love to see Zemismart create a motorized version of this product as well, so you could control the angle of the light remotely as well. I would also like to see RGB colors added to it, as I think RGB colors always provide a lot of benefits in any smart home setup. Anyway guys, that now brings us to the end of another video, and thank you so much for watching. For anyone interested in purchasing one of these smart LED spotlights from Zemismart, just click on the link in the description area below, and of course remember to use the promo code from earlier on in the video to get yourself the best price. Zemismart do have a few options available with these spotlights, including their Zigbee versions as well, as I have already mentioned, so be sure to check them all out, including the range of their other smart home devices as well. They have some seriously cool products on their website to help you make your smart home even better than it probably already is. Anyway guys, if you like this video or found it helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, where you can watch even more videos, which I upload every week, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Hey Google, turn off Spot.